Hello guys! Welcome ulit sa ating panibagong video. For today's video, pag-usapan natin kung paano kayo mag-register sa Kabal Red this 2025. So, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click yung bell icon para lagi kayong notify. And also, don't forget us to follow on Facebook para sa mga game updates and sa mga other games na nilalaro ko this coming 2025. So, before tayo mag-start guys, UG Phone nga pala. So, isa sa mga emulator ginagamit here in the Philippines and sa other country. So, please check this out.
Would you like to play games like Nitros, ROX, Roblox, and so on, but your phone cannot AFK in them? UG Phone is the optimal solution. On UG Phone, you can 24/7 AFK nonstop. Just one click to AFK and level up your characters. Your games will still run continuously even when you are sleeping or working. You can also play multiple games or accounts at the same time. Choose device and server according to your needs. We have the advantage of affordable price, low latency, and stable connection, and have successfully established servers that cover the globe. We have over 1 million users from all over the world. Many video creators on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram also choose UG Phone for gaming. There are abundant activities and gifts every month. Customer service and administrators are dedicated to serving you. Many of our users have also given positive feedback of 5 stars. Download UG Phone on Play Store, App Store, or Windows Store now. The best game tool for 24/7 AFK.
So, ayan nga pala guys, yung UG Phone. So, yung invitation code ko nandyan sa screen and also nandyan din sa comment section at description ng video na ito. So, let's go back to the video. So guys, ngayon turo ko sa inyo kung paano kayo magpe-register sa CBT ng Kabal Red this 2025. So marami kasi speculations and updates ako nabasa sa internet regarding this Kabal Red na i-release this 2025. Wala lang tayong exact date kung kailan i-release yung mismong game, no? And also I already launched yung official trailer ng game. And I think para siyang Kabal 2. Kasi pareho siya ng Kabal 2 na chinik ko last year. And yung Kabal Red is parang ito rin yung Kabal 2 for this year. Pero in cross-platform. So pwede mo siyang laruin in both PC at saka mobile. So yun yung medyo interesting dito. Kasi pwede mo laruin in both device, no? So kung may PC ka, much better. Kung meron ka mobile phone, much better also. So, let's start with the Kabal Red, no? Pre-register muna tayo. So, hintay tayo sa mga latest updates from the EST. And, syempre, yung ibang sources, kinukuha na natin si Wormy and then the kabalred.com. So, umpisa natin guys sa Google, no? Punta tayo sa Google. So, dito, pwede nyo na i-search yung Kabal Red. So, ayan, lalabas na siya kaagad kasi madalas ko siyang chine-check or nire-research ko muna para ma-check natin kung tama yung mga updates nila. So, Kabal Red yan. So, ang daming lumabas, no? And kung mapansin nyo dito sa videos, 2023 pa. So, almost 2 years. I guess, 1 year ago, no? Pero I think ito yung Kabal 2 eh. Pero, mobile version. So, nung i-check ko pa yung graphics kasi parang ang ganda ng graphics niya. And kung hindi man naging successful ang Kabal 2 way back, and I think kung i-release to this for the mobile version, and I think mas maganda to this time. So, ayan guys, ang pipindutin nyo dyan is yung Kabal Red is coming 2025 spring. From kabalred.com yan guys. So, click nyo siya. So, pupunta kayo ngayon doon sa official website, kabalred.com. So, Kabal, Reef of Eternal Destiny. Yun yung meaning ng red. So, ayan yung makikita nyo yung mga comments. And let's see, no? Nag-comment din ako dyan pero di ko sure kung lumabas eh. So, dito kayo pupunta sa pinakababa. So, once na in-enter nyo dyan yung email address ninyo, after nun, i-click nyo yung subscribe. Ngayon, ano pa yung kailangan namin gawin? So, ang gagawin nyo, pag pindot nyo na subscribe, punta kayo sa email ninyo, at may lalabas na ganito guys. So, yung Kabal Red Newsletter Subscription Confirmation. I-email kayo ni Kabal Red. So, may makikita kayo dyan nakalagay. So, click the button below to complete your subscription. So, once na subscribe ka dyan, magsisend sila another email doon sa same email ninyo. So, ito na siya. So, lalabas yan guys. Yung Kabal Red Newsletter Subscription Complete. So, lalabas dyan yung subscribe account mo, subscription type, at saka yung subscription date. Kung kailan ka nag-subscribe dito sa ano na to. Sa email nila. So, ayan, lalabas naman dyan natin guys yung details. And then, hello, this is Kabal Red. Thank you for subscribing to Kabal Red Newsletter. We will keep you updated in the latest news. So, parang same na with the pre-register ng Kabal C and other Kabal versions, no? Nagsisend tayo ng email. So, email lang, guys. So, dito, pag ang email mo, dapat yung email nyo, gamitin nyo. At least, mga 3 email kayo. Dali na naman gumawa ng email, guys. So, yun lang. Ganun lang kasimple, guys, ang pag-subscribe dito sa Kabal Red. And, i-check ko pa yung mga sources na makitaan natin ng updates for this 2025, no? Kasi marami nang naririnig na iniintay nito and hindi ko sure or hindi ko pa totally kayang i-justify kung yung graphics ba ay same with the graphics ng Kabal 2 dati. So, check ko pa yung other trailers for Kabal 2 and yung mga skills ng other class. Kasi alam ko dito sa Kabal Red ay merong priest. So, na character. So, check ko din kung kapareho ng Kabal 2. So, check natin. Sana, no? Marami akong sana dito sa game na to since ang online ay nawala na for PH server. So, yun lang and I hope na may natutunan kayo for this video. So, see you on the next video guys. Bye-bye!